But here's more news from Motown. General Motors India has voluntarily recalled over 1 lakh units of Chevrolet Beat diesel manufactured between 2010 and July 2014. That's just December 2010 and July 2014. Remember, this is the third major recall by General Motors in India. Farah joining in with the details. Farah, what are you picking up? Is there a larger issue that General Motors is ignoring, given that this is the third recall in the company?
Well, General Motors is not having a very good time in India, and it's trying to claw back to its earlier position before the 2013 emission scandal that struck at the company. And however, so any kind of recall that is going to be made at this time is not going to look very good for General Motors. As you rightly pointed out, this is the third major recall to take place, and this time they are recalling 1.1 lakh units of the Chevrolet Beat diesel to inspect and fix issues with its clutch lever. And the company has said that in these units it does suspect that with continuous usage these could be susceptible to cracking on continuous usage. So that's why they want to make this recall. And this comes in July. If you remember, 1.55 lakh cars had been recalled to fix issues with respect to its remote keyless entry technology. And then, of course, in 2013, 1.14 lakh units of the Tavera had been called to address emissions and specification issues. All of these recalls are coming at a time when a lot of automakers are together making a lot of recalls voluntarily, ever since SIAM made a recall code, voluntary recall code in 2012. And in the Lok Sabha recently, it was announced that over 13 lakh cars have been recalled in India since 2012, a majority coming from Ford and Honda. And now General Motors will be upping its position as far as the recalls go, toppling over even Maruti Suzuki with this latest recall that it has issued. Back to you.
Well, Farah, it's been very difficult times, to say the least, for auto industry. We'll get Farah to give you a detailed analysis through the day, so stay tuned for that.